Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you that what trades I took in this week, what were their logics, their accuracy, and also some useful tips for your trading journey. I would be covering this about gold, Euro USD and USD JPY because I love these pairs. So let's get started with our USD JPY. In USD JPY, I took 3 trades this week. Two were about liquidity hunting, one was about an order block. So let's break down our first trade, that how I took it and what was my entry plan. If you guys are aware of SMC, the smart money concept, you guys might be seeing this as an inducement sweep of a big time frame. So let's dive into this trade and zoom in to some lower time frames so that I can show you that how I entered this trade. So I planned this entry using the 3-minute time frame. So let's dive in. If you guys know that in SMC, we first wait for the market structure shift, then we plan an entry from the fib retracement. So everything went in our favor. Price did a market structure shift as well, and see, a big FVG is created as well. So let me mark for you guys. You might be able to see this, a big FVG is formed. See, FVGs are a confirmations that a big amount has been entered into the market and price is going to show a really big momentum. So everything worked according to our plan. The price came to a retracement level, like I call it the golden zone. You see the 3 golden lines, I call it the golden zone. So price made the expected retracement and our pockets got filled. Okay, the second trade was about an OB. I told you guys earlier. Let me show you how. Let me tell you that these trades are based on ICT and SMC concepts. So if you are aware of them, you can clearly see that 1 hour order block, and if not, then it's never too late. The markets are always open. You just need a correct skill set and a proper risk management. If you guys don't know, see, SMC and ICT works the best. If somehow you don't know how to refine an order block, let me help you guys. See, you cannot just trade whenever the price taps on a 1 hour order block. They're really big. You can get a really big SL for that. So you need to refine it. See, if you see a 1 hour order block, zoom into the 15-minute time frame, you will see a small order block there. Once you are done, switch to the 5-minute time frame. There you will see even smaller order block. Then switch to the 1-minute time frame and refine it even more. You will see a really small order block there. And price will never just tap on the 1 hour order block and just fly from there. It will surely come to your refined order block. So you can just enter and fill your pockets. So our third trade was a loss making trade. So let's see the entry process of this as well. So let's go to a smaller time frame so that we can see how I entered this trade. If you see, price has taken a perfect rejection from there, but somehow it went down. So let's go to the 1-minute time frame. If you guys see, there was a proper market structure shift. Let me mark it for you guys. Just 1 minute. See, there was a market structure shift and you can see clearly big FVGs were formed. So I entered this trade when market retraces in this FVG. And basically in SMC and ICT, we just wait for the MSH to happen, then we wait for market to retrace in the desired FVG. See, I was getting a clear risk reward ratio of 1:2, 1:3, but I didn't book, but I didn't took it just because I have enough confidence to hold this trade until I get my desired profit. So this was it for our USDJPY. So our accuracy was, we got 2 out of 3 trades correct. We got 1:8, we got 1:10, and 1 loss. So obviously we are in a great profit now. So this week we made 3 trades in USDJPY. Out of them, 2 were correct. So this was our accuracy this week. So let's see what were my trades on gold and EURUSD. First, let me take you guys to the gold chart to see what trades I took there. In gold, we took two trades only, or we say we got two trades only. So both were profitable. Our accuracy in gold was 100%. Like, we just took two trades and both of them were profitable. Both of them were based on liquidity hunting. And I have told you guys that how I took trades on liquidity hunting. I wait for MSS, then I wait to retrace the price to the desired FVG or the fib retracement. So let's just not waste our time, and I would be showing guys how I took the second trade, because first trade was very obvious. Both were based on the same setup only. So if I tell you one trade, the other was just a copy of that. So let's zoom in. First we would go to the 15-minute time frame. See, you can clearly see the first trade was a liquidity based trade. You see, market took that liquidity and just went up. The second trade is definitely more interesting. Like, see, many people have thought that that was a breakout, but it is not. See, if price closes the candle below liquidity, that doesn't mean it is a breakout. If the second candle just covers the 50% of it, then still it would be considered as a sweep or a fake breakout, whatever you say. So let's zoom in the 1 minute time frame and see how I entered this beautiful trade. So I marked that MSS area. See, price took this liquidity, made an market structure shift. So we don't see a clear fair value gaps out there. So we just mark the fib retracement from the bottom to the top. So market came to a golden zone. You see the three golden lines in my fib retracement. I call it the golden zone. When market taps on that, then I make entries. So that's how I entered this trade, and you guys see that market gave us our desired profit. So let's move on. Mm, So our both trades were profitable in gold. Our accuracy were 100%. So let's see how my Euro USD trades went. Let me search Euro USD. I prefer FXCM charts. What you guys prefer, just let me know in the comment section. I know most of the traders use Onda charts, but I prefer FXCM. So I took three trades in Euro USD. All three were of them were based on liquidity. So now let's see how we guys enter into these trades. So let's mark the MSS areas so that we don't need to search for it. Now let's go to the lower time frames to search the entry. One more useful tip: if the setup is of 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, use 1 minute for searching for entries. If the setup is of 4 hours one day, use 3 minutes. If more, then use 15 minutes. Okay, so everything went in our favor. Market did a market structure shift. Market showed a good retracement, so we entered this trade. And the second trade, you see, market made a liquidity pull, grabbed the liquidity, and you can see this trade was also successful. I could have hold this trade and get a big profit, but somehow I don't remember why I exit this trade so early. But no worries, we are still profitable. 1:2 is also not a bad risk reward, I guess. And this third trade is still running. So if we see the breakdown of this trade, it was a 1 hour inducement sweep. I hope you guys know what is an inducement sweep. If not, let me know in the comment section. I will make a video on that as well. So let's see how I entered this trade, and I plan this entry in the 3 minute time frame because it is a major liquidity in the 4 hour time frame as well. So let's mark the market structure shift. Let's name it MSS. And if you guys see, there was an aggressive selling, like a lot of FVGs were formed. So I definitely didn't want to miss this entry, so I entered in the first FVG only. This was not FOMO, guys. If you see this kind of aggressive selling, you have to take this trade so you can enter early as well. See how many effigies were formed. So I made this entry on the first effigy only, but still we got a big reward here also. And I hope this video went to the right audience and you guys are really liking it. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon as well, so you don't miss any of our important videos. On Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I upload analysis video, like daily analysis, that are my views, what are the expected reversals, what are the POIs, and I really hope that you appreciate this accuracy. If yes, then drop a heart in the comment section. I would really love that. And if you guys want to talk to me, I'm sharing my Instagram handle. You can reach out to me and like talk to me, or if you need guidance, I can guide you as well. So let me type it for you. @ ABHH, then 4 I's, then SHE, and 3 K's. So this is my Instagram handle. You can reach out to me anytime you want. And that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If yes, then so bye bye. Take care and keep trading, and make sure to maintain a journal. Journals are really game changers. And if you don't want to maintain a journal, you can use this tool known as call out, where you can just write why you took this trade, what was the basis of the trade, and what was the risk reward, what was the date, time, and all that you write in the journal. You can mention it here. Till then, this is Abhishek signing off for today. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the upcoming week analysis, and bye.